Hello friends, welcome to CS Aspirant Vibes. Today I have a question for you, that is, which countries bordering the Red Sea? Options are Sudan, Yemen, Saudi Arabia, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Egypt and Djibouti. So to mark the answer you need to look at this map. So this one is Red Sea, this one is Arabian Peninsula and this one is African continent, right? So the countries bordering Red Sea are Yemen, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Sudan, Eritrea and Djibouti. So these are the 6 countries bordering Red Sea. So you need to remember these countries' names. So to remember this, I have a trick for you so that you will not make any mistake in your exam and you will not forget the country's name, right? So the trick is Y seeds. Earlier, we remember that the seed was the trick for Horn of Africa, right? So now you need to remember Y seeds. So I took it from this word, that is HYV seeds. Means whenever we talk about the green revolution or increasing agricultural productivity, we talk about HYV seeds, that is high yielding variety seeds. So here we need to pick the letter Y only, means Y seeds, not HYV seeds, right? So Y seeds, I remember in this way. I thought it will be helpful for you, so I am sharing. If it's helpful, then remember it, or maybe you, if you know any other trick, just apply that, ignore this trick, right? So Y seeds means Y for Yemen, S for Saudi Arabia, then E for Egypt, E for Eritrea, then D for Djibouti, then S for Sudan. The spelling is very clear, and you need to remember this, that Y seeds. So I hope that you can answer the question. Uh, Here from these options, apart from Ethiopia, means except Ethiopia, all are correct, right? So option 5 should not be there. Here this is 5, there's 5, there's also 5. So option C is the answer. So now I hope that you can understand and you can mark the answer correctly. Now you need to remember one more thing, that why the Red Sea is called and the Red Sea is known as Red Sea. There's so many different interpretations, but the most accepted one is the Red Sea is Red Sea because of the seasonal bloom of the cyanobacteria, that is Trichodesmium erythraeum, which turns the blue-green water into brown reddish or reddish brown, right? So because of the red color, we call it Red Sea. This is the most accepted interpretation, so I am sharing with you. And now when we are talking about this Red Sea, you need to know that here there is a gulf, we call it Gulf of Aqaba, and this one is Gulf of Suez. And here there is a strait also, which is connecting Gulf of Aqaba with Red Sea. We call it Strait of Tyran, right? So here, as I said earlier also, here there is a strait, we call it Bab el Mandeb, which is connecting Red Sea with Gulf of Aden, right? So now you need to remember the country's capital. Sana'a is the capital of Yemen, Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia, Cairo is the capital of Egypt, Khartoum is the capital of Sudan, and Asmara is the capital of Eritrea, and Djibouti city is the capital of Djibouti. So these are the countries, and these are the capital, and this is Red Sea. So now I hope that you understood the country's name and you will remember it forever, and you will not forget it in your exam. Okay, so this much is for today. Thank you.